trying to make a freaking video and I'm making a mess instead. Oh yeah! Hell yeah! Look at that! What's up, YouTube? So this is gonna be part 2 of tearing down 350Z. We got the crank pulley removal tool, which is what was holding us up last time. So I need to get changed and then we'll get out to the shop and we'll finish getting the head, the passenger side head off the Z, and hopefully we can get it to a machine shop, make sure that one, it doesn't have a leak in it like I said in my previous video is a possibility, and two, we need to make sure that it's true and it's flat. All right, guys and gals, do I have something to show you? So I came out here and I got right to work. No time lapse or anything like that because I knew this job was gonna be a pain, and that is getting the crank bolt broken loose. All right, so what we have here is a 20-foot Harbor Freight ratchet strap, and then a probably like 2.5-foot breaker bar with about 4 feet of pipe from my jack stand. And then we took and wrapped the ratchet strap around the sway bar by the mount, and then went around, and then I did this once and it ripped the ratchet strap. See right here, it just cut it because it's too sharp. So we had to lay cardboard down to go underneath the thing, and it goes around and then it comes up and it goes back behind it through right here, through this right here and around, and that kept it from turning. Man, I freaking tugged on this. I didn't know what was happening, but I was like, man, I just gotta go for it. So just went the rest of the way and we got it. I am so freaking stoked right now. Online, everybody's like, oh, you need this special tool to hold the flywheel. And I tried that route first before I thought of the ratchet strap to hold the pulley. You're fucking kidding me.
I'm about to be so pissed. Oh, I'm about to be so pissed. I spent so much time
Trying to set this up and look. Ha! Oh, you're kidding me! Well, I guess that's better than it being stuck. I don't know if I should be pissed or happy that it's not stuck on there. Jeez. Screw you. Okay then. Well, we got the crank pulley off. Apparently, you can't use a O'Reilly's rental harmonic balancer removal tool because it doesn't have the bolt holes in the harmonic balancer, crank pulley, whatever. So luckily we didn't need it. It wasn't even stuck on there. I mean, it was, after I got the bolt broke, it came right off. We got the car back on the ground. I had to put the starter back in, and I found out why our power steering was a little clunky. We have a major power steering leak, so there's probably some air in the lines, I imagine. YouTube, so this is going to be day 2 on this video. I don't have much time after work, so it's hard to get a bunch of stuff done, and I want to compress these 2 days of work into one. So I was really dragging ass this morning to get out here. It is cold and I just want this to be done already, but it doesn't work like that. You got to put into work. So right now we got the valve covers off and everything besides the bolts that go up into the front cover through the bottom of the oil pan. So I actually haven't even drained the oil on this thing yet. So we're gonna drain the oil, get the front cover the rest of the way off, inspect the timing chains, and then we're gonna try to work on getting the head pulled off. I got all my parts on order, so my goal is to have this thing ready to go by the time the parts get in here. I'm gonna get to work. I'm gonna put you guys down, and once I come across something interesting or I feel like filming, I'll do that. So, peace. Quick update here. You'll see I've made some progress. I got the front cover off, and we got the crank pulley back on, and that is so we can align the engine. So we need to put this thing on top dead center. I guess this would be a sufficient time for an update. I just pulled my first camshaft, boy. Got the engine coming right apart. Camshaft 1. I swear these things don't have bearings. I don't know, but it seems that way. Cam number 2. Oh, fuck. It's full of oil and it just freaking got all over me. Trying to make a freaking video and I'm making a mess instead. Alright guys, figured I'd let you see this part. I just looked up the torque pattern, so you have to, the same thing with the cams, you gotta go in a certain pattern and you gotta go a little bit at a time.
Oh man, so that was 1, 2, then we got 3. Oh, every time it feels like this is gonna break. 3, and 4. And then we'll do 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, crap. I gotta take this cam position sensor out. Alright, sorry about that. I'm working with limited battery as well as limited time. I can only upload 10 minutes videos to YouTube, so I kind of gotta pick and choose what I want to upload. Oh, turn that one just a little bit more. Okay. This is 7. Now I do have new head bolts. Oh! You can tell how tight these are on here. They are torque to yield, so that means they stretch when you torque them down. Okay. Now, we need to go through that process one more time. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now I'll release, so we should be able to buzz them out. No problem. Still don't know where to work. All the other bolts I've been keeping in order, but these we will not use anymore, so these aren't so crucial. Thank you.
Tom, if you're watching this, I'm using your thing you gave me. And I really appreciate it.
Look at that. I'll call that a success.
Alright guys, word of advice. If it ever isn't going and you just beat on it and beat on it, beat on it, and something is not coming loose, you probably forgot a bolt. And that's exactly what I did right here in the front. But we got it, and I think with a little prying action, yep. Let's see if I can. Oh yeah! Hell yeah! Look at that. But anyways, I gotta get the oil drained out of this head. Look at that. All right, guys, I am so stoked. So we got the head off. Let me flip you around. I'm sure you could have seen in the last clip, but we did get the head off. And I got to do some inspecting of this head gasket here and see, oh, that right there. That looks to be our culprit. You can see where it's a real defined black lines with the gap. and right there it's not. This is awesome. This means that our head is not cracked. Don't mind my crazy hat here. I got cut off. I got a phone call. I had to go help somebody move a couple refrigerators, but all done now, and I just want to wrap this video up. So yeah, whatever I said in the last clip, I'm super excited. We're at the stage where we start putting stuff back together and stop tearing stuff apart. So it's just awesome. So I appreciate you guys watching. I hope that you tune in to watch this thing go back together. And then I really hope you're there when I start shredding it on the track, because that's going to be a fun video and I'm going to have a lot of fun making it. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you come back to the next video and have a good day.